Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your audio ready and getting it into Notion. Pick an MP3 or M4A that's under 50 MB so upload times stay short. On the Notion page, add a new block and choose File, then upload or drag your track in. This attaches the file to the page. Once done, confirm the upload progress completes and that the file name appears. This gives you the tangible audio asset Notion can reference before you turn it into a playable embed. Next, you turn the uploaded file into a usable player inside the page. Click the file block and copy its link, or open the block menu to get the direct file URL. Add an embed block and paste that URL, or use a lightweight audio widget that accepts file links. Make sure to resize the embed and add a caption so viewers know what they're hearing. Then test playback in page view. If it plays, you've successfully embedded a functional audio player. Finish by making the audio accessible and robust. Set page permissions so collaborators can play or edit the file, and move the block into a database entry or a toggle for clean organization. If something goes wrong, re-upload the file first, then make sure the link you embedded is public to those with page access and not blocked by service restrictions. Also clear your browser cache or try another browser. That single troubleshooting step, re-upload and verify permissions, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.